Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Friday as the Dow jumping over 150 points. Shares in banks, household and personal products, and diversified financial sectors all trading higher despite some pressure in utilities, while real estate and telecommunication also making moves. On the economic docket, personal income improving by 0.2% in August, in line with expectations. Personal spending remaining stable in August. The University of Michigan's sentiment index coming out at 91.2 for the month of September, and advancers ahead of decliners. 80% of SP 500 constituents trading higher on Friday. Now, after the markets closed, we first take a look at Tesla, saying that third quarter production rising 37% quarter over quarter to 25,185 vehicles, and deliveries rising 70% to 24,500 vehicles. Moving on, CVS Health, its unit, CVS Pharmacy, announcing the voluntary withdrawal of all brands of homeopathic teething products, as FDA's announcement recommending that consumers stop using these products. And Delta Airlines also in the headlines, as its pilots, represented by the Airline Pilots Association, entering into a comprehensive agreement in principle with the company to amend their collective bargaining agreement. Turning overseas, Asian markets on the upside today. The Nikkei up just under 1%. The Hang Seng up just under 1.25%. China's CSI 300 closed, while South Korea's Kospi down 1.21%. European markets are consolidating, and U.S. futures calling for a flat start. In terms of expectations today, there are no major earnings expected. However, there is a bit of action on the economic front. 10 o'clock in the morning, August construction spending due out, as well as September ISM manufacturing expected at 50.2. Moving on, in terms of the markets, the SP 500 sees the bias remain bullish. Trading Central analysts find the relative strength index to be mixed with a bullish bias. Now, long positions above 2150 are favored, with targets at 2172 and 2175 in extension. Moving on, the NASDAQ sees limited upside, preferring long positions above 4844, and the Dow Jones seeing limited upside, preferring long positions above 18,130.